Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 7:01 here in the middle part of the country. It's a Friday. Happy Friday. It's March 26th. Here's your morning jog around the headlines of the economic world. In Norway, they have decided to stop using the AstraZeneca vaccine and continue to postpone that decision for another 3 weeks. That comes on the heels of the AstraZeneca vaccine having some additional data issues earlier in the week. We talked about that, of many European countries not using it. And I just want to wrap this all up for the week to show you exactly what's going on. We talked about the divergence here. US, Europe, divergence in COVID rates, divergence in economic activity. US is now doing, and this weekend will do 3 million doses of COVID vaccine over the weekend, right? More folks get vaccinated on the weekends. They have more time. They're away from work. Europe's doing about a fifth of that. Bigger population, but they're doing about a fifth of that. US is going to have a 6-month head start. Europe will get the extra vaccine doses on the back of it in August. A lot of folks in Europe take vacations in August, so perhaps their rates will really go up then as far as getting vaccinated. But the US is going to be open for business for the summer holidays. Not sure Europe will. I'm not sure they're going to have much economic growth at all this year. US targeting around 6%. Maybe a little bit lower because of our Suez story, because the Suez still blocked, the Ever Given still in place. Now, this is something that I read overnight here on Bloomberg. They have a dredger, and they need to excavate about 20,000 tons of sand and dirt to get the ship free. They think they can't get within 10 meters of it. And 10 meters, I mean, it's big. That's 10 yards on a football field, or just a little bit more, about 33 yards. And then they're going to try to pull it out again. There's a high tide on Sunday. If this situation lasts past Sunday, that's the make or break point, because that's high tide. It lifts the ship. It's about 18 inches of water, which is significant in this scenario. If we get past Sunday and this ship is still not out, I think we will see markets really start to price in some of these adverse scenarios. I think the high tide is actually Tuesday. I misspoke. It's Tuesday, the 31st, is the real big high tide. If we get past there, then this ship is still stuck. Suez Canal is still blocking the canal. I think markets will start to price it in. They're starting to price in some shipping names here in the pre-market this morning, higher rates, that sort of thing. But I think it's going to start affecting global supply chains as things start to become a little bit more scarce. China rare earth metals have gone up on shipping worries, on Myanmar supply worries. That affects Tesla. That affects a number of different companies that use batteries, that use rare earth materials. This all coordinates. This reduction of supply is going to drive prices higher there. NIO in China stopping production, reducing their production estimates by about 1,000 cars in the quarter, which is significant. They're a growth story out of Tesla out of the electric car space in China. They're going to reduce their production. They're going to stop production because of chip shortage. We're going to have some rare metal shortages. These supply chains are global. They're going to matter if the Suez Canal stays blocked. Last story before we head you off to a nice weekend. WeWork, it's going public via SPAC deal. $9 billion for WeWork. That's almost one Discord. 9/10 of a Discord. It didn't make money when it was private. It's not making money this year. I think it lost about $3.2 billion. No one's going to the office. $9 billion company. This is the SPAC world that we're investing into. Be careful. We will. If you want additional stories throughout the day, feel free to follow me on Twitter. It's OKC CFA CFP. Until then, hope you have a good weekend. I'm out.